Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will show how to prepare 100 ml of X molar HCl solution. In our research life or educational life, when we deal with certain chemicals like acids, base or other salts or whatever maybe it is, we often need to prepare some volume of some certain molar solution of some chemical, and to do this we often face some problems. Here is the problem: 100 milliliter X molar solution of HCl, and the 100 can be replaced by any other volume. It may be 50 ml or even 500 ml, it doesn't matter. So to do this we need to start from the basic, and we are talking about X molar. Say here I consider X equal to 0.05 molar. Okay, so from the basic concept, what does it mean? It means that to talk about 0.05 molar HCl solution, we should understand that we are talking about, say, 1 liter solution that is containing 0.05 mole of HCl. So you can see from the chemical HCl acid in the bottle of the HCl acid, you will find that the molecular mass is given, and I have used the HCl. The case number is CI6C 660704. You can find it, and I have purchased it from Mark. So however, the molecular weight is, you will find in this way written in the bottle, that it is 36.46 gram per mole. So each mole of HCl is more or less equivalent to 36.46 gram. So it means that in 1000 ml or 1 liter solution, maybe aqueous solution, there is 36.46 times 0.05 gram of HCl. So in doing this, it will give you, let me calculate, 36.46 into 0.05 will give you 1.823 gram of HCl. So literally, if we dissolve 1.823 gram of HCl acid and make the final volume to 1 liter, it will give us 0.05 molar HCl. But the problem is that HCl acid is in liquid form. It has volume, and how will we measure the gram of HCl? For solving this problem, we have to convert the mass into volume. For doing this, you will find another thing that you will find in the company level of the HCl you purchased, that 1 liter For my case, I am just showing what it has written in the, it has been given in the level, that 1.1 liter is equal to 1.16 kilogram. Okay, so it means that 1 liter HCl has its mass 1.16 kilogram. So we know the simple formula, the density is just equal to the mass by volume. So volume is equal to what? That mass by density. So, and so we can now convert. So we can now calculate the volume of 1.823 gram of HCl. Let's calculate. So, and volume is equal to 1.823. This is gram and this is kilogram per liter density. Okay, so I will literally it will not affect if I put 1.16 here. 1.823 divided by, this is gram, okay, this is gram, and divided by, here we have 1.16 into gram divided by, that is 1000 ml. So you can see that this 10Q and this 10Q will be nullified and it ultimately gives 1.823 divided by 1.16. So this will give you 1.57. To this ml. So we have found that to prepare 1 liter of 0.05 molar HCl solution, we require 1.572 milliliter of HCl, but it is not over here. You will find that in your HCl bottle there is some figures showing the assay or purity. In my case, the purity is just 35%. It generally ranges from 35% to 37% in common cases. So you need to take it into account. Otherwise, we will end up calculating a wrong result or wrong figure. So how to incorporate it? This means that if you take 100 milliliter or 1 liter of HCl from your stock bottle, you will only find, or you will only get only 35% of HCl in that. So if we take this much of 1.572 milliliter of HCl, then we will only have 35% of HCl in that, and rest are water. So what we have to do, we have to take much more amount of HCl, or much more volume of HCl. So how to get that volume? So it is very easy. That we know that 35 ml of HCl is present in 100 ml of HCl stock. So therefore (1.572 ml of HCl is present in that 100 by 35 into 1.572 ml of HCl stock. So it will give you, and this will give you, you have to calculate it, 100 by 35 into 1.572, it will give you, this will give you 4.49 ml of HCl stock. Okay, so we need just 4.49 milliliter of HCl from stock. What we have discussed so far is for 1 liter, but the problem was to prepare 100 milliliter of 0.05 molar HCl. So this data is for 1 liter. So for 100 ml, obviously we have to take 1/10 of this volume. So what will it be for? That is, will give you 0.449, that almost 0.45 milliliter, or equal to 450 microliter. So that's the figure, that's the final figure. If we take just 450 microliter of HCl from the bottle and add it in a 100 ml volumetric flask and make the final volume up to 100 ml, it will give us 100 ml of 0.05 molar HCl solution. So that's it. To prepare 100 milliliter of 0.05 molar HCl, you just need 450 microliter of HCl from your HCl bottle, and you have to add it in a 100 ml volumetric flask, and you have to finally make the volume up to 100 milliliter. So thanks for watching.